how much should you actually spend on a laser printer for PCB projects? Because some people are perfectly happy with cheaper options, but others swear by more expensive ones. It's a bit tricky.
Product number 1, Brother HL L2460DW. Let's kick things off with the Brother HL L2460DW. This compact monochrome laser printer caught my eye because of its combination of quality and efficiency. Priced affordably, it's a great option for home offices and small teams. If you want high-quality black and white printing without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This printer is designed for consistent premium print quality, which is crucial when you're working with PCBs. It prints at an impressive speed of up to 36 pages per minute, so you won't waste time waiting for your designs. Plus, the auto duplex feature means you save on paper, which is important for those intricate PCB layouts. With connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Ethernet, you can print from almost anywhere in your workspace. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in the zone creating prototypes, the last thing you want is to be held back by a slow printer. The mobile app lets you manage your printing tasks remotely, which is super handy for busy creators. But I'll be real with you, some users mentioned issues with the printer's size being a bit bulkier than expected. Here's the thing though, if you have a dedicated workspace, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, efficient printer for PCB designs without needing to spend a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for color printing, as it only does monochrome. Overall, it offers great value for money. Now, if the Brother HL L2460DW size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Rendion PCB boards. The Rendion 32 PCB board set. I was intrigued by the price point of just $7.99 for 32 boards of various sizes. If you're looking for an affordable way to prototype your PCB designs, you might want to pay attention to this one. This package includes 5 different sizes of double-sided PCB boards, which is fantastic for DIY electronics projects. The standard 10th-inch spacing is perfect for a variety of components, and the durable FR4 material ensures that they hold up during soldering. This gives you the flexibility to experiment without worrying about damaging the boards. The 4 mounting holes at the corners also make it easy to install them together, which is a huge plus for more complex projects. Now, some people complained about the limited size options, which could be a drawback if you need larger boards. However, here's the upside. For most DIY projects and standard PCB designs, these sizes should cover your needs. They're easy to work with and a lot of creativity. This is a solid choice if you're just starting out or need to whip up quick prototypes. Skip this one if you're looking for a professional-grade product, as these are meant for hobbyists. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing fast, efficient printing. Product number 3, HP LaserJet M209D. The HP LaserJet M209D is up next, priced at $159. This printer is marketed as perfect for home offices, and I can see why it's popular. It offers automatic duplex printing, which is a significant time saver when you're working on large PCB designs. The print quality is exceptional, providing sharp and clear black and white output, essential when detailing intricate PCB layouts. Plus, the compact design doesn't take up much space, yet it's built for speed with the fastest in-class 2-sided printing. This means you can quickly get your designs on paper without compromising quality. But here's where it gets tricky. Some users reported issues with connectivity, specifically that it only connects via USB. If you're looking for wireless options, that might be a downside. Still, if you don't mind the wired connection, this printer excels in quality and speed. This is perfect for you if you want fast, high-quality printing for your PCB designs without any fuss. Skip this one if you need wireless capability and prefer printing from multiple devices. For its features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, let's check out the next product.
Product number 4, ACMER S1 Laser Engraver. The ACMER S1 Laser Engraver, priced at $1,025.58. I was genuinely surprised by how much functionality is packed into this little machine. This engraver isn't just for PCBs. It's a dual-function tool that allows you to both engrave and cut. With a 3500 milliwatt laser and high precision, it's perfect for intricate PCB designs and other materials. It supports various applications, so whether you're working on wood, leather, or plastic, you can get creative. The user-friendly design means you can set it up in just a minute, which is fantastic for those who want to dive right into their projects. However, I did notice that some users mentioned issues with the software compatibility, feeling limited by what was included. But honestly, the ability to use popular engraving software as well gives you flexibility, and the support from the manufacturer is a big plus. This is great for anyone looking to enhance their PCB projects with engraving and cutting capabilities. Skip this one if you only need a simple printer, as it might be overkill. For its price and functionality, it's a pretty good deal. Alright, that wraps up our engraver, but let's see how the last option holds up in comparison.
Product number 5, HP LaserJet M207DW, retailing for $169. This printer is tailored for office environments and is super efficient. It boasts the fastest two-sided printing in its class, which means if you're cranking out PCB blueprints in bulk, you're not going to be waiting around for ages. The wireless printing feature allows you to send jobs from any mobile device, which is incredibly convenient. Plus, it includes built-in security features to protect your sensitive designs, something that shouldn't be overlooked. However, a few users mentioned that the initial setup can be a bit tricky, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. But once you're up and running, it's smooth sailing with quality prints. If you're someone who values speed and security, this printer could be an excellent fit. This is perfect if you need a reliable printer for a small team working on PCB projects. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, less feature-heavy model. For its performance, it's a solid investment worth considering.
So, to wrap things up, we've looked at the Brother HL2460DW for its speed, the Rendion PCB boards for budget flexibility, the HP LaserJet M209D for quality, the ACMER S1 laser engraver for versatility, and the HP LaserJet M207DW for efficiency. Each option brings something unique to the table, depending on your needs. Whether you're prototyping or printing, there's something here for everyone.